What I wish I knew about manifesting: it's not just about wishing hard, it's about shifting your energy. Here's how to unlock real results. Step 1. Get crystal clear on what you want. Vague dreams get vague results. Be specific, feel it, and really believe it's possible. Step 2. Release the need to control every detail. Obsessing over the how actually slows things down. Instead, trust that what's meant for you is already in motion. Step 3. Align your energy. Act, think, and feel as if it's already happening. When you radiate the energy of already having, the universe responds in kind. And finally, take inspired action. Listen to your intuition. Those little nudges are your roadmap. Remember, manifestation isn't magic, it's co-creation. Speed comes when you're in flow, not in force. So get clear, let go, align, and act. Your manifestation is closer than you think.